Hi, so today on Cooking on the Fly, I'm going to make a simple salad, kind of pressed for time today, so that's what I'll do. Let's do it. So today I have baby spring mix, some leftover steak, shredded carrots, purple cabbage, some walnuts, minced garlic, apple cider vinegar, avocado oil, and monk fruit sweetener. Got my bowl ready here. Got my spring mix. Gonna put some in the bowl. I'm gonna take my carrots and put them in here. Got my cabbage. I'm gonna cut some of it. Throw that in here. I'm going to take my walnuts. I'm going to pour those in this bag here. And I'm going to chop these up in a very non-traditional way. Got my kitchen hammer. That looks about right. I'm going to pour the nuts in. I'm going to take my steak and I'm going to cut this up into bite-sized chunks. This is what I have. I'm going to take my measuring cup here and my oil. I'm going to use 2 parts of avocado oil and 1 part apple cider vinegar. Now you can use olive oil. This just happens to be what I have here today. Now I'm going to take my apple cider vinegar. So we always have apple cider vinegar in our house. There's no reason not to have this in your house. It boosts immunity. It helps reduce inflammation. It helps with oral health. It regulates blood sugar. It helps your skin. It improves your cholesterol. It helps relieve heartburn. It helps relieve eczema. It reduces yeast infections. It improves digestion and reduces bloating. It promotes weight loss and it also kills bacteria. So there's really, like I said, no reason not to have this in your house. It's absolutely fantastic. That's why I use it to make salad dressings. You can actually put a little bit of it in some water too and drink it. There are people that do that every single day to improve their health. So I have poured my mixture into this little jar. This jar had yogurt in it. I keep these around just for this purpose. I'm going to put some garlic in here. Now you can put some spices in here. You can put oregano or whatever else you like in here. I'm going to put my monk fruit in. They come in little packs like this. You can use for coffee or whatever you want to use it for. Sweeten it up just a little bit. I'm going to close this up. I'm going to shake this up. And now this is ready to go on my salad. I'm going to pour some in. Now you can save this up for another time. It'll stay good for about a week. Give this a mix. Quick and easy salad. If you have these in your refrigerator, you can make this in 5 minutes.